Yeah, so hi all. In today's videos, we will see what exactly is block level element and what exactly is inline level element in HTML. Okay, so you can see I have created one HTML file where I have written this what is the block level element and what is the inline element. First we will go through these theory things, then we will start practical to understand uh, what exactly there is a difference between block level element and what is inline element. So a block level element occupies the entire horizontal space of its parent element, or we can say container element. Means suppose if you define if you create any HTML element, okay, and if it's taking the full width of its container, it is a block level element. Okay, and vertical space equal to the height of its content, the space, vertical height, it should be the the height of the content. Block level elements start from a new line each time. Whenever you write a new block, suppose element, it will start from a new line. Suppose if you create one element, it will start new line. If you create one element, it should start new line. So this is the block level element. Means block level element will always occupies the entire width of the container, means parent element. Okay, and what is inline element? So inline element occupies the space as needed, not like block level element. Means whatever space it's need for that element, it will take only that much width, not entire width, right? And they do not begin on a new lines. Means inline element will not start with a new line. Okay, suppose if you create an inline element, it will start here. Again if you have a again if you have a inline element, it will start from same places if there is a space. Okay, it's not like that it will start from new line. So now we will see in practical what exactly a block level element and what exactly is inline element. So for that I have a file created here. You can see block versus inline practical.html, and here I have mentioned all the like sentences what exactly it is, and after this here we will see the example. Okay, so I'm writing here like something h2, I'm speaking example. So now you can see if I go there, we have this example this came, right? So now here we'll see. So there is a lot of block level element and there is a lot of inline element. So suppose I am taking one example, uh, like we have a p tag. Hello, I am block level element. So I have written hello, I am a block level element. Now you can go here on browser, see hello, I am block level element. Okay, now how we can differentiate whether it took the entire parent with or not? So for that what I'll do, I will style this p tag, and like I just give something like class block level. Okay, I gave the class block level, and now I will style this class. So for that I have already a style.css file created, and this file I have linked here, this style.css. To whatever I will whatever css or styles I will do here, it will be applicable for this file, right? Because I have attached a link tag here, link rel equal to style sheet and the path of this file styles.css. So here what I will do, I will write a class here. You know how to style class, right? With dot symbol and the class name, the class what I gave here, class block level. So for this block level I will give border 1 pixel solid. Suppose I am giving red. Okay, now go there and see here. Now you can differentiate. So my you can see this is a paragraph tag what I have created, right? You can find here in code. This is the paragraph tag. Hello, I am block element, and I give the border around that element. So you can see this is the border. It took the entire the length, or you can say the width of the border is till the here, right? So for this element, the parent is this white background, right? Means body. It took the entire width of the parent, like container, right? That's why I wrote here definition: a block level element occupies the entire horizontal space of its parent element or container. So this element occupies the entire width of the parent or container, right? Although the element got ended here only, right? You can see the elements starts from here and it's ended here, but still it's taking the entire width. So this is the first definition, means the block level element will occupy the entire width, right? Now second, block level element starts from a new line each time. Suppose I have one more, suppose I will create one more p tag and enter here, hello, I am second block level element. Now you will see it start from new line, right? Or see, you can find here we have first block element is ended here. It should start from here, right? Because we a lot of space is here, lot of space is there in this line, but still it starts from second line, like new line. This is the first line and this is a new line, right? So this is the properties of block level element, means block level element occupies the entire width. You can see the width of this, and this sentence start from here and ended here, but still it's taking the entire this whole space, right? And here also it starts here, end here, still taking the entire space till here. Okay, because I told already, right? It's take the parent element with entire. So parent is this white background things like body. For now it's a body, right? If you want to see the again one thing, so I will go here. What I'll do, I will put body with something like 30%. Now you can see I have give the body with this trait and no 30%. So now my body like my parent is body for now for this element, so its width is 30%, so it took the whole width of the parent. So based on parent's width it will take, so parent width is not 30% and your p is taking entire width of the body, right? For now I'm just removing this, I no need to fix the body width. Yeah, so now the container width is till here 100%, so it's taking from here to here. This is a block level element, means block level elements means it will take the entire width of the parent element or container. You can see parent containers. Okay, although it's start here and ended here, but it's taking the entire width. Now we'll see inline element, what exactly inline element is. So for inline I will give the example like span tag. Span is an inline element. Hello, I am inline element. Okay, and here I am giving the class something like inline label. Okay, so now I will style this inline things. I will go here, I will write a class because I have already written class here. So for styling a class you need a dot operator, dot, and then this the class dot, and then this class name, whatever class name you gave here, inline label. So I am copying this and I will paste here. I will style here. Okay, so for now I will give border 1 pixel solid. Suppose I am giving green. Okay, so for inline element, now you can see the differences here. See, uh you have block level till entire width, but this is hello, I am inline element. It's taking how much space? I told you, right? Inline elements occupy the space as needed. Okay, so whatever space it's need for this sentence, it is taking only that much width, right? It's start here, end here, so border also start here, end here, means only that much space it needs, right? It's not like block level, like it's taking entire, so it's taking only this much space or width, you can say this much width of this is here. This is the inline element. One more thing, they do not begin on new lines, right? Like how block level elements start from new line, it will not. So we'll see in practical also. Go there, create one more span tag. Okay, one more. So I have three span tag, right? It should start from C. It start from here only. It's ended here. Again, new span tag start from here. Again, new start is from here, because it's find okay there is a lot of space there, so it will start from here. It's not like every time it will start new line like block level element. So this is the difference, practical difference between block level element and inline element. Again, I am repeating, block level element will take the entire width of your parent or container element. So for this, the entire the parent container is body, so it's taking the entire width of the body still here. Okay, its inline elements is not taking the width of the parent, it's taking only that much is with whatever need for this element. So for this element it needs only till here, for this element till here, so you can see it's inline, right? It's a block level. So that is the difference between block level and inline element. I hope you guys understand this difference. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any comments, like if you want to give any suggestions, you are feel free to give. Thank you so much for watching this videos.